Hey everyone, in the following video, I'm going to explain the importance of testing your DNA with a commercial DNA company. I'll start by briefly explaining the difference between mDNA and Y-DNA, and end by telling you all how these two kinds of DNA can be used to make connections to current relatives, as well as find ancestors you never knew existed. mDNA, or mitochondrial DNA, is passed from mother to daughter. According to Wikipedia, mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, or mDNA, is the DNA located in mitochondria, cellular organelles with eukaryotic cells that convert chemical energy from food into a form that cells can use, such as adenosine triphosphate, ATP. For our family, this means that if you are a female descendant of Mary Maud, Sally Ruth, or Eliza Jane Townsend, you carry the mitochondrial DNA of every female ancestor before you, from Mary Elizabeth on back. Y-DNA is passed from father to son. Y-chromosome testing uncovers a male's Y-chromosome haplogroup, the ancient group of people from whom one's patrilineage descends. Because only one's male line direct ancestors are traced by Y-DNA testing, no females, nor their male ancestors from whom a male descends, are encapsulated in the results. For our family, this means that if you are a male descendant of Benjamin George, Samuel Lloyd, Thomas Eliot, or William Theodore, you carry the DNA of every male ancestor before you. There are several commercial tests on the market, including Ancestry.com, 23andMe, Family Tree DNA, and more. Though there is a cost associated with purchasing the DNA test, they often go on sale around the holidays, and you may even have a relative or search angel willing to assist you. It is a small price to pay for the connections you can make and people you can help. You never know when you'll meet a new cousin or help an adoptee find their birth parent. Those are just two of the many reasons why you should test with at least one commercial DNA company. You may still be asking yourself, why? The simple answer for us is slavery. The institution of slavery divided us, and it is up to us to piece our family back together. You may think that you know your relatives, your ancestors, their secrets, but there's so much more that we don't know and may never know until we do the research and learn the truth. While you wait for your test results, start jotting down important information and building out your own branch of the family tree. Begin by talking to the oldest family member you know. Then use free websites like Family Search or the Family Tree Builder on Ancestry.com to add known relatives. You can always find useful tutorial videos to help you with the process on YouTube. Connect with your local library or genealogical society for assistance. Finally, once you receive your DNA results, you can download the raw DNA and upload it to other sites like GED Match or MyHeritage to make even more connections. If you don't immediately hear back from a match, you can also search for them on social media. Trust me, a little Facebook stalking can go a long way. For more information on ways to preserve your family history, click on the link in the description box below this video to download a free ebook from Preservation in Color. Begin by gathering the basics such as birth, marriage, and death record, as well as obituaries for your grandparents and great-grandparents. If you don't get hooked by then, feel free to share your findings with someone with more time and interest so that it doesn't get lost or forgotten. Getting your DNA tested is more important than you think. Please consider doing your part to help yourself and others on a journey to self-discovery.